Another fun puzzle, Draughtboard puzzle. We have 14 pieces, and with these 14 pieces we need to form a draught or chessboard. No solutions on the box. Okay, let's see if we can do it. Okay, we have these two pieces looks alike. These two. Okay. These two pieces. Okay, and 4 pieces. This one, this one, this one, and this one are unique. They are alone. Okay, let's see if we can start. I'm going to start with the 2 big ones here. Ça fait already 8. I'm going to take these 2. Okay. I'm going to take like that. It's something here can work. This one. We have already 5. We need 3. We can put these 3, or maybe these 3. Let's see. We start with these 3 like that. Okay. Donc ça fait already 8 by 8. We just need to complete the stuff. Maybe this one. No. Oh, not so easy. Let me see. I'm going to put this one there. 4. Yeah. Okay, we have 8. I just need one here. That one can work. What else? Maybe this one. Yeah, it's something here. E2. No, that's not good. Let me see if I put this one here. Okay, where's this one? This one. This one. And this one. And done. We are done. Sorry. Well, I don't know how many solutions there are, but okay, this is one solution. What? Just going to move a little piece so we can maybe much see the piece. Like that. Okay. That was the solutions for the Draughtboard puzzle. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and see you next time.